Meet the limpet, one of the toughest animals in the sea. Today, we're counting down 50 fascinating facts about limpets that will completely change the way you see these small but mighty mollusks. 1. Limpets are marine mollusks, related to snails and slugs. 2. Most limpets have a simple cone-shaped shell that looks like a tiny hat. 3. Their shell shape helps them resist powerful crashing waves. 4. Some limpets can survive in places where waves hit with thousands of pounds of force. 5. Limpets use a muscular foot to cling tightly to rocks. 6. That grip is so strong that some species are nearly impossible to pull off by hand. 7. When threatened, limpets clamp down even harder against the rock. 8. Their shell forms a watertight seal that helps prevent dehydration. 9. Many limpets live in the intertidal zone, the area between high and low tide. 10. That means they survive both underwater and exposed to air. 11. Some limpets can tolerate extreme temperature changes every single day. 12. Limpets have existed for hundreds of millions of years. 13. Their ancestors lived long before dinosaurs appeared. 14. There are more than 1,000 species of limpets worldwide. 15. Not all limpets are true limpets. Some unrelated animals evolved the same shell shape independently. 16. This is an example of convergent evolution. 17. Limpets move using slow, muscular waves along their foot. 18. Most limpets are herbivores. 19. They feed by scraping algae off rocks. 20. To eat, they use a tongue-like structure called a radula. 21. The radula is covered in rows of microscopic teeth. 22. Some limpet teeth contain iron minerals. 23. In fact, limpet teeth are among the strongest biological materials ever studied. 24. Scientists believe their teeth may inspire future engineering materials. 25. Limpets often return to the exact same spot after feeding. 26. That special resting place is called a home scar. 27. Over time, the limpet actually grinds the rock surface to perfectly fit its shell. 28. A perfect fit helps keep moisture trapped inside. 29. Some limpets can detect chemical trails to find their way home. 30. Despite moving slowly, limpets are surprisingly good navigators. 31. Certain species form clusters for extra protection. 32. Limpet shells can come in many colors including gray, green, brown, and white. 33. Some shells have beautiful radial patterns. 34. Predators of limpets include crabs, fish, sea stars, birds, and humans. 35. Some birds smash limpets against rocks to crack their shells. 36. Octopuses are also skilled limpet hunters. 37. Some limpets respond to danger by creating suction stronger than industrial vacuum cups. One species called the volcano limpet lives near deep-sea hydrothermal vents. 39. These deep-sea limpets survive in extreme heat and toxic chemicals. 40. Certain limpets can live for more than 10 years. 41. Limpets grow by gradually expanding the edge of their shell. 42. Their shells are made mostly of calcium carbonate. 43. Ocean acidification threatens limpet populations by weakening shell growth. 44. Limpets play an important role in controlling algae growth on rocky shores. 45. Without grazers like limpets, some coastal ecosystems could change dramatically. 46. People in some cultures have eaten limpets for centuries. 47. Ancient coastal communities often collected limpets as an important food source. 48. Some limpets can survive surprisingly long periods out of water. 49. Scientists study limpets to better understand biomechanics and adhesion. 50. Even though they look simple, limpets are among the toughest and most highly adapted animals in the ocean. Tiny, ancient, armored, and unbelievably strong, limpets prove you don't have to be huge to survive one of the harshest environments on Earth. So next time you walk along a rocky beach, take a closer look. You might be standing beside one of nature's greatest survivors.